Hi guys, and this video is going to be a very quick video because I'm not sure that my phone would last for 15 minutes or not, because it has been malfunctioning. It has been switching off and on by itself. Sometimes this problem so become a nuisance, brother. Yeah, I want to talk, or I want to tell you that I don't have any specific topic today, as usual, and I'm just going to talk about the situation that I'm dealing with. See, guys, I have woke up at waken up at 4 a.m. today, and since then I've been sleeping and just watching the mobile and nothing. But okay, it's not the time to discuss, because discussing that would also take time. So I'm in a fix that what to do now. I mean, I know I have to change the strategy of whatever I was doing, uh, but how to do that? That is important. Patience. I need to have patience. That is the only way. And see, I mean, okay, let me share an incident. I have been watching video of my previous friends, their farewell and somewhat, and I mean the boys were very kind of wide and tall. So I began to feel like, why I'm not like that. I mean that immaturity and that foolishness. Yeah. So this, I think this is the good topic to discuss about today. See, we all compare ourselves with another person at some point of time or another, and we compare ourselves with the better person, right? So if there is a better person from us, which is obvious that yeah, of course, better person exists. That's why the people are growing to see a better version. You got to got the encouragement to develop your own self. Oh, I know I'm a better version of myself, and a lot more is still yet to be done. So I have come to the point where I'm feeling boredom, where I just don't want to do anything, where I just want. No, I'm making excuses that is this thing really matters or not? Is this thing, or is the exam have such a have deserve such attention? I mean, deserve such amount of time, because I have been giving. I've been giving time much, but the results are very meager, or the productivity is very low. My productivity is currently, as far as I can analyze the results, so productivity is low. Oh well, it will be fixed, because I just need to move on, move on, move on. I feel like sitting in the home and just shut the doors and just do what I want to. That's too tough, brother. Because Exposure is very important. Exposure of the outer worlds make you prepare for the real life. You cannot learn anything about the reality if you sit in the home. You don't you don't get the exposure of the outer world. So it is just making your life worse. And I just don't want to do that. I'm not going to, cap that shit. And as far as it concerned to kind of insecurity, and I would have to say that every person is unique. One's height cannot determine his destiny, right? One's smartness, one's looks cannot determine. Like, yeah, that's how the things work. I have my own personality. Just don't need to look outside. I am very good. I am at the level. I mean, the God has created me well, finest, and all the potential that He have given to me to make me more shining, to make shine more, shine more. Yes. Uh, well, I know that these moments are kind of peak one, but I'm not going to lose hope. I'm not going to lose hope. I am not going to lose hope. However, the things are going, I I will be in swim. The things are not oh, bound to go according to me, but I have to mold myself according to the situation. Life never get easier. You have to become harder. That's what the David Goggins says, and I can I can relate this. See, if I truly examine, then I can say that nothing has changed. It needs a course of time, efforts, dedication. What has changed? Nothing has changed. If I say that I have not been watching videos, I have not been wasting time, the phone is here. Nothing has changed. I can still watch. I can still waste my time. What is preventing me? What is protecting me is my willpower, is my decision. And how the extent of that strongness, right? Whatever the things that I have considered inappropriate, I can still do that. I can still waste my time with friends. I can still, you know, lay on the bed and just scrolling the reels. I can still eat unhealthy food because I can say that nothing is changing in spite of following all this uh, routine. So why to waste time in following such a routine? Let's do let's do the things in the way that we want to, that I want to. Why to waste time, right? I can say that, and that is really very natural. But you know what is not letting me to do that? It's my own deliberation. I deliberately not doing that. I want to do that, but I'm not, because I don't know where I'm going, but In the course of my heart, I know that I am moving. Even a little bit, I am moving. That's what matters. So, the life is going to be harder, always harder. My day of today can be full of the people comments, and it would be in my hand to categorize their comments on or actions, their actions on negative way, or a positive one. For people, I accept that I am nothing. I am building for the people who want someone to get them out of the problem. Right? I am building myself. I don't have anything. I don't have any place in the people's mind or people's heart if I cannot provide them any. If I cannot provide them whatever, whatsoever. And I am building myself to provide them my service so that this is the only way. Without providing anything to the people, how can you, earn their respect? How would you, how dare you, how would you dare to, feel like the leader? You must have to provide someone to the people, something. So whatever the, and one thing that I want to add that be yourself. Do not lose the character. Be yourself. Let the things go in the way that they are going. Let the situation be the toughest, but let yourself be the real, the authentic one. If people are laughing and they are, playing, if you don't want to, or if you think that nobody is, nobody is here to do things with, let them do. Keep sit straight, leg crossed. What do you want? This conversation is very kind of tiny one, and yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not able to analyze or trace where I'm going, and how can I trace, brother? I mean, I don't have anyone as a companion to talk with. Where to speak English? I mean, this is the basic ways through which I can learn to speak basic or elementary things. But for a proper uh, edu, I mean, proper way speaking it, I have to take the assistant assistance of the other person. That's the only way. This a conversation is a two-way thing, not a one-way, right? Mm, well, in spite of all this, I want to live the life the way I want to. I know that the place that I'm going today, nobody gave a shit. Nobody gave a shit. So I am. I'm not going to give anyone. I'm not going to let anyone to influence me, right? I'm going there as a different person. They don't match their level. They don't match my level, and that's why I will keep mum. and there will be time to speak, I would, but to influence anyone, I wouldn't. तो भैया आज का वीडियो यही समाप्त करते हैं. यस, एंड एक सच्चाई मैं बता दूंगा आपको, that if you think that let's do hard work and after a time be relaxed, actually this strategy is flawed. Default, there is default in this strategy, because what matter is, see, as far as you are going, that's what matter. The moment where you stop, everything become different. Everything is different, brother. You're not going anywhere. So what matters is the moving. अपना एक ही नारा है, पावर का बोल वाला है. Just strive to acquire power. पावर है तो सब कुछ है. पैसा भी पावर के आगे कुछ नहीं है. जिसके पास पावर है उसके पास सब कुछ है. तो पावर पे फोकस करते हैं, पावरफुल बनते हैं, और बाकी सब तो सेकेंडरी है. मिलते हैं कल की वीडियो में. बाय.